Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl Guitar. We have not a typical guitar song here. It's with Gims. It's called Vent du Nord. It's like north wind. So north winds are blowing here on Girl Guitar. And like I said, not the typical guitar song, but hey, it's Gims. We have to cover him here. And he's done a lot of great songs, guitar friendly. So if you're a fan of Gims, make sure you look up these tutorials on this channel, Girl Guitar. Many of them here, and we will build a portfolio here with Gims, Vent du Nord. This is coming up. And we have basically two chords that goes back and forth. And we are going clean, no need for any capo here. We're using the A minor and the D minor, all right? So let's go over the chords A minor and D minor. So that will be first A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And even if you don't use the full chords here, I want to show you what chords are the basics for this melody going on here. So that's the first one, A minor and the D minor. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and actually open E, but the full chord will D minor, it will be first E. All right, so that's the D minor. And let's go back and take it from the beginning, A minor. We have this pattern that goes like this. That's it. So first A minor, open A, and then you play second D, second G, and first B together. If you think that is too much to handle all these three strings, the important string here is the first B string. So basically, it's enough to just kick that one, but the second D and the second G are supportive strings from the actual chord, so it gives a little bit more depth to it if you can pick at least two strings together, first B and one of the other strings, or if you can do both second D, second G, and first B, that's great. So first open A and these three strings, then comes the kick, and then first B again, just single note. So then you shift to the D based part, and what you do here is to just play open D, then second G, then the clap or the kick, and open B. And that's it. So you just go back and forth between these two chords and play. All the time. Practice slowly, like this. And then gradually work your speed up to something like this. All right, so there you have it, Gims. North Wind. All right, so give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.